Easter is just around the corner, which means there is a lot of chocolate that we need to eat. And I've got the perfect dessert. A ridiculously good Rocky Road cheesecake that's loaded with Malteser mini bunnies, galaxy caramel eggs, marshmallows, and more chocolate. Let's do it. First up, we're gonna make the cookie base. So you'll need crushed biscuits and melted butter. Feel free to use any biscuits that you like. I always find it weird when people are like, make sure your cookies look like wet sand. But it's exactly what it looks like, wet sand. Once it's mixed, press it into the bottom of a springform tin that's greased and lined with parchment paper, and then keep it chilled. No-bake cheesecakes are quite easy to make. This one just needs low-fat cream cheese, Greek yogurt, icing sugar, and lemon juice. Who's ready for icing sugar clouds? Mix this until it's super smooth before we add our delicious Rocky Road mix-ins. My bunnies! We're adding these delicious Malteser mini bunnies, which I've just chopped up into bits for that delicious, crunchy, creamy texture, and of course, pink and white marshmallows. This looks delicious already. Add half of the cheesecake mix to the base and drizzle in melted Galaxy Smooth milk chocolate. Yummy! Look how silky smooth this is. We're going to marble this through the mix with a knife before adding the second half of the cheesecake mix, and then of course, more melted Galaxy Smooth milk chocolate. Smooth the top so it's nice and even, and then it's ready to be chilled for 4 hours or ideally overnight. Before serving, top the cheesecake with big marshmallows, more mini marshmallows, and a big drizzle of silky melted Galaxy Smooth milk chocolate. Still going with all the marshmallows. You can never have enough marshmallow, 'cause it's Rocky Road. And finally, add the melt-in-your-mouth Galaxy Caramel mini eggs, and of course, the Malteser mini bunnies. Rocky Road is one of my favorite desserts to make. It's fun, it's colorful and playful, and it's a great way to use up all your Easter chocolate. And there you have it, the Rocky Road no-bake cheesecake that's loaded with Malteser mini bunnies, Galaxy Caramel eggs, marshmallows, chocolate drizzle. It looks fantastic. It's time to slice it. So if you're looking for the perfect dessert to treat your family this Easter, look no further, because this is it. I'm getting that creamy and crunchy texture from the Malteser mini bunnies, really silky from that chocolate. I'm gonna go in for a Galaxy egg. Eat all the chocolate and have your cheesecake too. This is a perfect dessert for your Easter table, really quick and easy to prepare, but most of all, it's really delicious. See you guys next time. Enjoy your Easter.